Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining us for another edition of the Fairbanks North Star Borough Parks and Recreation Cook Book Virtual. Today we're going to be reading Little Pea by Amy Krauss Rosenthal. This is the story of Little Pea, Mama Pea, and Papa Pea. Little Pea was a happy little guy. He liked to do a lot of things. He liked rolling down hills, for example, super fast. He liked hanging out with his pea pals. He liked it when Papa Pea came home at the end of the day. Papa Pea would fling Little Pea off of a spoon, high into the air, and Little Pea would scream, "Again, again!" At bedtime, Little Pea very much liked snuggling with Mama Pea and hearing stories about what Mama Pea was like when she was a little pea. But there was one thing that Little Pea did not like. Candy. That's what you have to eat for dinner every night when you're a pea. Candy, candy, candy. Monday, red candy. Tuesday, orange candy. Wednesday, yellow candy. Thursday, purple and pink polka-dotted candy. Friday, striped candy. Saturday, swirly candy. Sunday, rainbow candy. Little Pea hated all of it. "If you want to grow up to be a big, strong pea, you have to eat your candy," Papa Pea would say. "If you don't finish your candy, then you can't have dessert," Mama Pea would say. "How many pieces do I have to eat?" "5 pieces and you can have dessert." "5 pieces," he whined. "5 pieces," they chimed. 1. Yuck. 2. Bleh. 3. Pfft. 4. Pleh. 5 pieces of candy. Now can I have dessert? "Yes, now you can have dessert," said Mama Pea and Papa Pea. Little Pea couldn't wait to see what it was. "Spinach!" squealed Little Pea. "My favorite!" Little Pea licked his dessert plate clean. Yum, yum, extra yum. And they lived happily ever after. The end. Now it's time to make one of my favorite sweet treats, fruit pizza.